This is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go for it. You've seen her in my videos before, and we are in her gorgeous, gorgeous apartment, and she's like zero waste girl. She's like she's that friend you have that's like living her convictions, and she's gonna show us her apartment here in Paris. Yay! It's possible to be zero waste even in a big city.
Yeah, exactly. So this is my zero waste kitchen.
It's so cute.
Most of the packaging are glass. Because it's healthier. So all of that is bought in bulk. Same as here, only glass and bulk from fruits and vegetables. I use washable bags like this one.
But Aline, I'm really glad we're starting in the kitchen because I'm going to be frank with you.
Okay, tell me.
I have lots of plastic in my life, and I find food packaging to be the hardest. Because the foods that are most convenient come in packages.
Yes and no, because I mean it depends on the shops that are around.
Okay.
So obviously if you don't have any bulk section around in your city, it's gonna be really hard. But for example, the almond you were snacking, it's convenient and it's in bulk and it's just, you know what I mean?
Yeah, when I open my drawer, my pantry, it looks nothing like this.
I can't buy everything in bulk, obviously. I do have exceptions, like sometimes I do buy things in plastics. And
shame!
And it's okay, as I said, like no pressure, it's okay. I already do my share in so many other areas of my life. So obviously no plastic in the kitchen equipment because it's not healthy at all.
Yeah, and because eventually it's going to end up in the landfill.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
So here is my compost for all the peelings and leftovers. And I use shared compost area in a park nearby. Okay. So really easy.
So now you're showing us how you save food, like leftovers and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. So this little washable
thingamajig.
Yeah. And you just put that on your bowl and container.
Now before we get started, I noticed you don't have a bidet. I was expecting a bidet.
Oh, no, I'm not extreme, and I do use toilet paper. Sorry.
But you know, bidet, I get bidets. I feel like it could be cool.
Well, it's not really part of our French culture.
True.
It is in Italy.
It's true.
But yeah, no, and I don't want to be extreme. You know, I don't like that, so I do it.
Got it.
So I make my own cosmetics, and it's really easy. I use only really easy recipes. I replace all the lipstick and all the moisturizer for the feet and hands by shea butter. And to moisturize my face and my body, I just use vegetable oil. Just has to be organic and cold pressed. So you just put a little bit of oil in your hands and you warm it up, and then you massage it on your face. Plastic-free toothbrush and hairbrush, so it's compostable. So this is my shampoo, dry packaging-free shampoo, and this is my razor. And like I bought that like 30 bucks. That's all. And you keep that 15 years, that's awesome. And then I use a bar soap. So yeah, as simple as that. I also use coffee ground.
What?
Yay!
Why?
To exfoliate your skin.
People pay buco bucks for this. There's like coffee scrubs out there and it's literally just coffee. That is so silly, I just realized.
Yeah, it is. So this is really natural and way cheaper. My zero waste cat.
Wow.
With compostable litter.
Oh, show us that.
Compostable litter.
You put it in the compost?
Yeah. So here is my closet. Only second-hand clothes. It's way cheaper and way more eco-friendly. So I got this with you.
Oh, I remember that. And who else has that? Like no one. Yeah.
Yeah, right? No one else. This one is awesome. I love it. And same as the other one, was just $5.
Yeah.
That's all.
Amazing. Tell me everything, girl.
So this is my cleaning products. And this is for lingerie. It's just a powder, organic lingerie detergent.
Where'd you get it?
In an organic shop. Okay. And it's in a paper box.
So, but you just put it in here?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's more convenient.
And it's prettier.
And it's prettier. And same as baking soda, this is the must-have of cleaning product. And this is my spray, my cleaning spray.
Like an all-purpose.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. And it's just water, white vinegar, and lemon essential oil. This is just water and a little bit of white vinegar, and it's for the floor. And everything is washable, really simple. It's actually money saving, it's way simpler.
Yeah. And it's all, I always find zero waste stuff to be more aesthetically pleasing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I know, yeah.
Who wants these brands all over their house?
And the plastic everywhere.
And then what we were saying before is recycling is not the goal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
reducing is the goal. And reusing.
Exactly. Source reducing is the key.
Yeah.
And zero waste is not about 100% recycle. Because recycling is a really energy consuming process.
And it's a complicated thing. I was just learning that it's not guaranteed that what you put into the recycling bin is actually getting recycled. Listen to our podcast about this.
Just do your share.
Thanks so much, Eileen.
Thank you.
Thanks for the tour. I have one last question.
Okay.
Where's your trash can?
I don't really have one.
What?